our rotators back here as well. So we're going to have gluteus maximus, okay? And then we're going to have our deep 6 rotators, and we'll talk about those a little bit later. And then we've got our hamstrings. So these 3 muscles are 2 joint muscles. These 3 together form collectively what we call the hamstrings. So kind of like we've got the rotator cuff in the shoulder, the hamstrings are kind of specific to the posterior thigh. So we have semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and biceps femoris. Biceps, so it means it's got two heads, okay? We'll get into that more later. Okay, then laterally, we're going to have gluteus medius and gluteus minimus and tensor fasciae lata. Okay, so gluteus maximus is here. Gluteus medius and gluteus minimus are more over here. Okay. So I always tease my nurses that the only muscles nurses really know are deltoids and gluteus medius, because of giving shots, because you give a shot either in the deltoid or gluteus medius, and you want to know where that is, because if you go too far back this way, you're liable to hit the sciatic nerve. And I can tell you, it is not pretty. I had a patient one time, actually, that I forget what I was doing treatment for, but we ended up having to treat her for sciatica because she went to the doctor, dropped her drawers, bent over the table, and whoever gave her the shot hit her sciatic nerve. She said when they hit that sciatic nerve, she fell to her knees. It was such a shock. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So then we had sciatica to deal with. But y'all aren't going to be given shots, you know?
Thank you.
You're not nurses. You're not pharmacists. Pharmacists give shots now too, I think. I don't know that they do butt shots, but they do. It's like, it just kind of weirds me out. You know, the pharmacist give me a shot. You know? No. I mean, it's not rocket science, because people get themselves shots all the time with the, insulin and B12 injections and things like that. But like, it's not rocket science, but I'd rather them count pills. Well, there's so much to know about drugs, but I'd rather them focus on that than how to actually administer a shot. Okay, shall I go to our biodigital human for a few minutes first?
Sure.
Before we do this?
More information.
Can't wait to go shopping. Bye.
Oh, gotta stop.
Yeah, that's all the